welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kaffie and I'm back with another video. Okay, so I've been getting so much comment. A lot of you guys have been asking me, oh my god Kaffie, how are you getting rid of your dark spot, like your skin is like getting smoother and stuff like that. Listen, let me tell y'all, I've been using all natural ingredients on my face and on my skin, and they've been working wonders for me. Like literally, all my dark spots have been fading. Like if you can see, my makeup is like even more flawless now. So I know you're not here for me to blab and everything, but if you want to know how I'm getting, how I'm making my dark spot removal and making my face looking flawless like this, let's go in my kitchen and let's go whip this ingredients up.
So for this treatment, we're going to be using a potato, onions, and lemon. So those are the three ingredients we'll be using for this treatment. Let's get right on. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel my potato, and I'm gonna do the same with the onions. So because in this process we will be needing the potato and the onions juice. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside and go to the next step. With this step, we're gonna need a grater and we're gonna grate the potato. I'm gonna be slicing it into two so it's like easier to grate. Just take your time. If you don't have a grater, you can actually blend the potato. All we need is the potato juice. So regardless of how you extract the juice, it's all good. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this. For this part, you're gonna need a strainer. So you're just gonna put the potato that you grated in there and just squeeze in till we have all the juice. We need all the potato juice, so it's gonna take a while, but just keep squeezing and see all the juice are gonna come out. So here we have the potato juice. I'm just gonna set that aside and I'm gonna go to the onions. So I'm not gonna grate the onions, so I'm just gonna go ahead and chop that into pieces just for easy blending. I'm just gonna like put that in the blender and blend that, because girl, onions make me cry. I literally be crying like a baby. So, and we don't want that right now. So yeah, we'll be blending. Here we have the onion juice, and we'll just put that in the strainer and strain out the onion juice. And yeah, in this next step we'll be using the lemon peel. This is very important because we will be using the lemon peels for the smell of the onions, so it's gonna give it like a really good nice smell. And as well, we're gonna use the lemon juice, and then we have our lemon juice also. So yeah, now let's get into business. So we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. So just go ahead and put that in. So you go ahead and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to the lemon zest. And now I'm gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of onion juice to this mix. Alright, last but not the least, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of potato juice to the mix, and then we're gonna mix well. So here, there we have our dark spots removal treatment, and the lemon zest would just like keep the onions smell away, and it just really like smells so amazing. And you can keep this in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in the airtight container. So you can just take a cotton pad and just, you know, dip that into your dark spot removal and apply it to anywhere you have dark spot all over your face, and you'll start seeing results in no time. You'll see.
So there you have it, guys. My natural dark spot removal, just with 3 ingredients. And you know what, just go try it out and let me like comment below and let me know how this worked out for you, because I'm not gonna lie, it's really working for me. Within 7 days you will be seeing the difference. Okay, so yeah, this is the end of this video for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and you know, subscribe to my channel. It's actually free, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload a video. So until my next video, bye guys.